Stamped her name on a one-way flight, chasing red earth daybreak, dust on her shoes, but her eyes so bright. Found a hill with a wide sky, said right here's where my roots can grow. Laid one brick, then another, turned that dream into her home. This is Kinza in the motherland, bare feet dancing on her own red sand. Got a house, got a heart, got a handful of...
Guys, I'm on top here upstairs now, and look at those. They're sneaking out through that little hole right there. Guys, in this clip, I have to do a voiceover because Super Shadi was playing Shatta Wale in the background, but I was talking about my chickens in the back, sneaking through the hole in the gate. The gate has been messing up lately, and the chickens are coming out, but I like the fact that they just were staying there and, you know, getting their nutrients from the grass, and Kofi in the background cleaning the coop. All right, see you in the next clip. Hey guys, it's a continuation and a continuation, you know. Today's Sunday. Oh man, it's drizzling. Can you guys see that? Let me clean my camera some more. Yes, it's a little better. I'm in the car. We're heading out. And it's drizzling. Yeah, we heading to Kaswa. It's Sunday, family day. Heading to spend time with some family. I'll bring you probably road footage, and that's it for today, and then probably I'll see you back tomorrow. So leaving the compound with all my kitties. I have a lot of kitties now again, right? Soon they're gonna run away. I don't know what happened to Diamond kitties all the time. She takes them and they go away. But they do their job. They hunt and keep the critters away. Except for something was at my chickens, like you saw before. But like I said, today's Sunday, taking it easy. So I don't know if I'll bring anything later, but if anything exciting happen, I'll bring it to you. See you guys soon. Guys, look at what we have. All this is from the okra, our farm, to make okra stew and to go in the soup. We're giving it a mash. You're gonna make okra stew with it. See, nice okra, right? Mm-hmm. Hey guys, I'm just here. I just came to the car to get something out the car. I'm in the neighborhood walking, okay? Came to get something out the car. We are going to cook one of the roosters, and it's big. It's almost like a small turkey size. So today, dinner is going to be one of my roosters. Okay, so I'm not videoing much today because my family, and sometimes you just have to respect the family. Family time. Having one of my roosters today in light soup and fufu. Okay, I might bring you my light soup and my fufu, but I ain't bring. They were cleaning the rooster, and I didn't want to put it on camera. Came to the car to get me one of my snacks. It's all melted and nasty now, being in the hot car. So guys, I'll talk to you guys later. See you later, okay? All right. Hello guys, I'm back. I'm wearing a mask. Sorry about that. I'm out here in the environment, so I'm putting on my mask. Yes, it's a continuation video. Oh man, we have okra. We harvested some okra yesterday, but we have more okra, and we plan to plant more okra. And Super Shadi is down here working on weeding some more and probably getting rid of the maize because the maize didn't come good, and we're probably gonna just do okra. So he's down here working. I come down here to see what's going on out here. It look like a mess, right? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kinza Babe. I'm here in Ghana, Africa. and I'm farming out here. So let's see what's going on out here on the farm today. I had one of the roosters yesterday and it was tasty. We cook a rooster. This little chicken. Oh, and it's sleeping up on my deck, up on top there, pooping on everything. So I have some eggs, they're making eggs. But these okra, some are hard, but some we're going to harvest. They still have a lot of flowers. We harvest a bunch and we had it in the soup yesterday. So I'm going down here to see some of the maize didn't come good. I think it's not ready, but he said he can get rid of it. And let's see what's going on. See the small, they didn't come good. I think they could still grow a little, but he said no. It was starting to get back color. The goats are in. You hear them? They're hearing me. You weeding down there? My trees down here is gone. Oh, that's the cashew tree. But what happened to my other trees that was there? One of them I see standing over there, just a stick. That one, that's a moringa. What happened to all my moringa trees? If we don't keep back here clean, I'm gonna lose my trees. The goats could have eat the leaves too, because they eat moringa trees. So this maize gone, really gone. They're not going to grow any bigger? No? Oh man. Look how tiny they are. I have to give this to the goats or the chickens. Maybe the chicks. For the young one, we just feed the let's see, the chicks with. So I put one of those young maize in here to see if they're gonna eat it. They pick at it, but damn, too much, not too much. Look, they ain't even like it. They leave it right there. I hope in this citrus tree gets some fruit soon. I'm over on the other side, guys. I'm watching what I have left over here after they got weeded. Some contumely growing over here, but not too good. Them goats have been eating everything. This tree got some type of disease too. Whew. So all this bush got cut down. Especially is over here was nursery one time. You cut down some of the maize? And here plants on contour me over here, but the bush been covering everything. So that's what. Those are the crabs. So I had a tree here. This one gone. And that's the
Maybe he's going to do the cutlass.
Oh, he went to sharpen the cutlass?
Yeah,
Watch the holes, okay? I want to plant some trees.
See,
Some of them trees.
divide from maybe here to the end. Then divide it into two. Pepper gonna be here, tomatoes gonna be there. Then all this side gonna be full of okra. What do you think?
It's okay.
That's what we're trying to do. So when we harvest, then we plant another thing. But we're gonna make sure we fence it so that when we leave the goat out, they won't be able to come inside.
Yeah, that's what I wanted from the
That's what we
beginning.
want to do.
So the goats
But
don't
we
be
need
in
to-
here.
We need
And
to
I
get
need to
something
plant an avocado tree, but the goats tearing up
we
the
need to get
avocado.
something that we're gonna fence it. That's the thing. Or otherwise, we are not going to leave them out. If that's the case, we are not going to leave them out. You can just use the thing to divide it inside, then leave the outside like that. But we are not going to open the goat so that they'll come outside.
Well, yeah, we have to find a way to keep the goats out. That's
This one is a net.
I think this might be callaloo, you know.
Should I cut it out?
It's a med.
I should cut it.
I don't know what it is. It might be callaloo.
No, it's not.
Callaloo that grow wild out there. They have a wild kind that grow.
I'm not smelling. It's not the one I want. I know. I have to cut it.
It's not meds. These contumely that he are planting coming slow. All here with this rain, them contumely should have been more. But they come so slow. I used to have peppers planted back here, you remember? The hot peppers. The local hot peppers. So the bush grows so fast back here. Guys, look at the big crab holes. There are a bunch of them here. See? So guys, I'm cleaning out this oil container to transplant some more plants into bigger containers again. This is the one oil container I got from the lady across there. Super Shadi is still down there working. Guys, the sun has set, okay? It's gone, it's evening. I'm out here in the cool watching the kitties, picking up my laundry, and then I wanted to show you guys the difference of cuttings and starting from seeds. This is a cutting that a passion fruit tree, the passion fruit tree that I have there. Remember I cut some and made another tree. Look at how big it got. And then guess what? It's already have a flower. So this tree is already producing flowers. So that means this tree could get fruit. And this is a cutting from the passion fruit. Let me make it better. I squeeze them up here because they keep falling over on this table. But this is, I transplanted it recently. Look at what the roots is already. But I wanted you guys to see that this tree already have a flower. And that's because it's a cutting. It wasn't started by seed. So we don't have to wait as long because these are already producing flowers, right? That's the difference with a cutting and starting from seed. That's why, now look at these. I transplant them. Look how nice they're growing. This is a bougainvillea. So, and this one is growing new leaves too. So the difference is this start from seed. I don't know how long this tamarind tree will take. And these start from seed. I don't know how long the pomegranate will take to get fruit. I don't know how long the soursop will take to get fruit. But if I cut from these, like this one, I could cut and make it more branchy. See how the soursop grows straight up? I could cut it some more and make it branchy. and make some cuttings from this, and then it won't take as long for those to get fruit, because they're already in a maturity stage and we just like cloning. It's like cloning, right? So same thing with the bougainvilleas. I cut these down and make more bougainvilleas. Like that one came from a cutting, and these were dry in those containers that I had them in. So that's why they're like perking up now, because they're getting the water better, nutrients better. And now they're putting up more flowers. They're not dry and stuff anymore. So my nursery is growing. I have more to transplant, but I have to, when I come out here, I have to take it easy. So I cut these down, and then I'm protecting it from the goats. So now these should grow nice. The goats love to eat these flowers. I don't know why. And I propagated some more, so they'll be flowering early. Now these here is the guava. I don't know. These are from seeds, so these might take longer. Now if I did try to propagate some guava, and I didn't think they make it. They wasn't getting the right care. But if those had take the guava cuttings, they would have put fruits out sooner. Got it? You guys got my explanation. This one need water. I gotta go find some more water. Anyway, they are coming lovely. I'm getting more ornamental plants for my front. But I wanted to show you guys the passion fruit cutting that already have a flower. But in order for the passion fruit to come, I would have to go and get another flower to pollinate this flower. It's only one flower on this branch. So I'm hoping these cypress will take root. And this look like a dragon fruit, or a family to a dragon fruit, some type of cactus. I hope that take root. And these are my propagation of the big crown of thorns. Anyway, I'm heading upstairs. It's getting chilly out. We're in Ghana. We are in Ghana, yes. But it gets cold. And the work continues, right? The work in progress. Everything is... See, we cut down there. We're getting ready to just farm okra, because we got someone that could buy the okra. So we need to harvest these okra and take them to market. And then we're going to plant more okra and plant more peppers, because we have a contact that could buy our peppers and our okra. So Kofi has to get to work, and Super Shadi has been cutting down the bush, and we're going to come up with a plan to plant the red peppers that I had here before and the okra. And that's it. And many kittens. I don't know what's going to happen with these kittens, but they're hunters, you see. Look at little Puss. You guys see this one look like Puss? And it's done pretending to hunt, sneaking. You know, it's a lot of kittens. They're gonna find homes. Look at them, so happy. But in the meantime, Puss and Diamond hunts, and that's what I like. Keep the critters down. The lizards and the birds. Look at Mommy Puss. Mommy Puss just sitting there. Puss! Hey, Puss Puss. Are you coming? Are you coming? Hey guys, it's another day out here on the farm. I'm just checking out. We have some more okra, and you know, some of them are, let me show you. All these ones are done too hard. This too hard?
Yeah, it's too hard. It's not slimy anymore.
So we're going to leave it to dry.
Then we use it to plant.
But these young ones gonna come up and he could pick those.
Yeah. You see this one? This one done dry.
Oop, you knock off a flower. Don't knock off the flowers.
See.
So every time we come in here, some of the flowers get knocked off.
You see this one?
Yeah.
Done dry.
So we're gonna pick those to replant. going in the coop.
You show them what how much the one.
I'll show them. We didn't fill the basket. We need to fill the basket, so we're gonna clean up all here and just put all okra. As I back down here, but you know, sometimes I feel like a little cereal in the morning, you know, like a little cornflakes. Who know about cornflakes? Kellogg's, you know? Here has cornflakes, right? And then I feel like a little honey nut bunches of oats. That's why I used to eat my cereal, right? You know, one time I buy honey bunches of oats here, but then, you know, I saw Kellogg's again, Rice Krispie. So I say, I'm not a Rice Krispie person, but let me buy it and see. Man, I went upstairs. I'm here planting ginger. Let me show you guys while I talk. So I'm planting ginger in this tire. I have a few ginger that I got from the market. I'm going to plant them here. But look at this soil, have worms and everything in it. Super Shady is still along the chopping bush. So let me show you how much. So I bought some Rice Krispie. I gave it to Super Shady because I ate the rest of the honey oats, cornflakes, the Kellogg's. That was all right. So this is the bucket, the basket. We didn't fill the basket, but we're gonna see if they'll be able to sell these. With the rest, they make okra stew. So we're going to sell these to send them to the market. But anyway, the Rice Krispie treats. You know, Rice Krispie treats supposed to snack, crackle, and pop. If you grew up in America, you know about the commercial snack, crackle, and pop. The three little elves and short people. I don't know if they're elves. What are they? Tell me down in the comments. What are these three little guys in the snap, crackle, and pop commercials for Rice Krispie treats? Well, let me tell you, it wasn't no snap, crackling, and popping in these Rice Krispie treats. A big box of Rice Krispie treat now I bought. I say, how can you go wrong with buying Rice Krispie treat? The Rice Krispie treat didn't snap, crackle, and pop. It wasn't good at all. So I don't know. And it has a Kellogg's brand. I think it's from the UK. A lot of these brands come from the stuff here in Ghana comes from the UK and it's not the same as the American brand. So the Rice Krispie didn't snap and it didn't crackle and it didn't pop. So he couldn't eat it. He didn't like it. And I don't blame him because when I tasted it, it wasn't the same at all. I'm saying this to say, don't expect, even if you buy the stuff here in Ghana, it's going to be the same, the brand name. You're spending some cereals almost $15 a box, $12 a box for cereal, and it's still not the same. That's why I'm saying this, so you guys could be aware. You know, I don't believe in shipping that type of stuff, but if you have to have it, I won't waste my money shipping that type of stuff unless I'm doing it for a business or something. But I eat what is here. But sometimes I have that craving. Get what you need if you have to have, okay? Because these brands here is not the same. It comes from the UK and it doesn't taste the same. That's all I wanted to share with you guys about my cereal run this morning.
So right here's where my roots can grow. Lay one brick, then another. Turn that dream into a home. This is Kinza in the motherland.